The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have sparked conversations across every industry. Many developers and engineers are naturally wondering about the future of their roles. It's a valid concern, but one that also presents immense opportunities for growth and specialization. While AI will undoubtedly automate many routine tasks, it will not replace the critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving skills that define human expertise. In fact, AI's rise amplifies the demand for specific human-centric roles. These are the roles that require strategic oversight, ethical judgment, and the ability to navigate ambiguity. AI excels at pattern recognition, data processing, and executing defined algorithms with incredible speed. It can optimize existing processes and generate code snippets. However, AI lacks true understanding, intuition, and the capacity for abstract, non-linear thought. Human intelligence remains indispensable for defining problems, setting strategic direction, and making nuanced decisions in complex, unpredictable environments. We bring empathy, ethical considerations, and the ability to innovate beyond existing paradigms. These are the core competencies that AI cannot replicate. Cloud engineering is the backbone of almost every modern digital service. As organizations continue their digital transformation journeys, the demand for skilled cloud engineers only intensifies. These professionals design, deploy, and manage scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud infrastructures. AI can assist with cloud optimization and monitoring, but it cannot architect complex, multi-cloud environments or troubleshoot intricate network issues. The strategic planning, security considerations, and performance tuning required in cloud engineering demand human expertise. It's about understanding business needs and translating them into robust cloud solutions. Data is the new oil, and data scientists are the refiners who turn raw data into actionable insights. While AI and machine learning models are powerful tools for analysis, a data scientist's role extends far beyond running algorithms. They frame the right questions, interpret complex results, and communicate findings in a meaningful way. AI can process vast data sets, but it cannot discern the ethical implications of data use or understand the subtle nuances of human behavior that data might reflect. The ability to tell a story with data, identify biases, and apply domain knowledge to derive true value remains a uniquely human skill. Data scientists provide the critical human layer of interpretation and strategic guidance. In an increasingly interconnected world, cybersecurity is paramount. The landscape of threats is constantly evolving, requiring adaptive and proactive defense strategies. Cybersecurity professionals are the guardians of digital assets, protecting against sophisticated attacks and ensuring data integrity. AI can detect anomalies and automate some threat responses, but it cannot anticipate novel attack vectors or outsmart human adversaries. The adversarial nature of cybersecurity demands human ingenuity, foresight, and the ability to think like an attacker. Incident response, threat hunting, and security architecture are inherently human-driven tasks. Software and solution architects are the master planners of complex systems. They bridge the gap between business requirements and technical implementation, designing high-level structures and ensuring scalability, maintainability, and performance. This role requires a deep understanding of various technologies and excellent communication skills. AI can generate code and suggest design patterns, but it cannot grasp the holistic vision of a system or navigate the intricate trade-offs involved in architectural decisions. Architects must consider long-term strategy, integrate diverse components, and lead technical teams. Their role is about strategic foresight, complex problem-solving, and human collaboration. The common thread among these indispensable roles is their reliance on uniquely human capabilities. They demand critical thinking, not just computation. They require creativity and innovation, not just replication. They involve ethical judgment and strategic foresight, not just pattern matching. These roles are about understanding context, navigating ambiguity, and making decisions where no clear-cut algorithm exists. They involve significant human interaction, negotiation, and leadership. AI is a powerful tool, but it's a tool that enhances human capabilities, rather than replacing them in these complex, high-value domains. To thrive in this evolving landscape, focus on developing skills that complement AI rather than competing with it. Deepen your understanding of system design, ethical AI, and complex problem-solving. Cultivate your communication, leadership, and strategic thinking abilities. Embrace continuous learning and adapt to new technologies. The future of tech is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans leveraging AI to achieve unprecedented levels of innovation and efficiency. By specializing in these high-demand, human-centric roles, you position yourself at the forefront of technological advancement. Your unique human intelligence will be more valuable than ever.